Hello my friends, welcome to the latest episode of unboxing. Yesterday we're gonna be looking at new product from Soundcore by Anker. It's called Soundcore by Anker. It is Life 2 total wireless earphones. So they are Bluetooth, obviously, because this is like these days these sort of headphones are a big deal and everybody loves them, and I decided to give it a shot. So what they are, they obviously Bluetooth wireless headphones. I think they support Bluetooth 5. They supporting Qualcomm aptX. They have 40 hours of extended 40 hours playtime. Yeah, well, we're gonna see that. They have 10-minute charge equal 1 hour playtime, and they are waterproof, IPX7, whatever it means. Curious if I can dive wearing those. So yeah, this is basic features and they are not expensive. Link is gonna be below, and let's take a look at a bit more. So they have 4 microphones, they have 7-hour play time and 40 hours with charging case. What the hell is that supposed to mean? 7-hour playtime and 40 hours with charging case. Yeah, that's some kind of gimmicky stuff going on here. So charge for 10 minutes, listen for 1. Superior sound via graphene drivers. Whatever that's supposed to mean. Graphene drivers, like probably nanotechnologies they're using there. Like I'm pretty sure nanotechnology. So they are waterproof, they are support one-step pairing. So what's in the box? Soundcore, charging case, ear tips, USB-C cable, and yes, they are USB-C, like these days everything's supposed to be. So let's take them open. Oh yeah, and the model is A3919011. I hope it's in focus, more or less. Let's take them open. This time we're gonna be using different knife, and opening the box. I like those boxes from Anker. They are really nice. Packaging and product is very nice, not easy to open. I'm not gonna rip it because I'm not such a person which actually breaks things. I like to fix things. So what we have here, little top, and right, that's what we have here. And there is some user manual stuff usually I never looked at. Oh, look at this nice bunch of ear tips. I hope those gonna be snug. Yeah, nice USB-C cable. Wondering if this is just power on or power and data, and the sound cores themselves. And for such a good, wonderful moment, I'm gonna zoom up a little bit. Oh, nicely, they are nicely packaged. Looks like almost like a Kinder Surprise egg. I don't know, somehow it resembles me that. Maybe for many people as well. Nice packaging. And what does it say? There is some kind of sticker. Tin. Get started. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So remove some kind of stickers from them. 2, charge them up. 3, pull them out of the case. And 4, pair. Very easy. Let's see. Okay, the moment. Ta-da! Here how they look like. Wonderful. I think they are as good as any other ones which are oh, I see. So those little white tops or plasticky things, they are covering contacts. So they landing like this. Contacts are touching over here, and they are charging. So before you want to charge, you have to remove this piece of paper. And they're supposed to go like this, and they are magnetic, and they already charge. Oh, now I understand what they mean 40 hours. So looks like this little cradle over here is a charging base itself. It Clearly it contains a battery, because right now, without even being plugged in anywhere, this thing actually charging those headphones. Test. Curious what kind of battery capacity inside versus the battery capacity in those earbuds. Oh my god, they're really magnetic. Sorry, I didn't even expect that. That's really cool, it's really nifty. What do we have here? So input 5 volt, 0.5 amp, output 5 volt, 0.4 amp, 0.2 amp per port. So it's 5 volt charging, obviously. So capacity 700 milliamp, 2.59 watt hour. Model A3919. This is Soundcore Life P2. Okay, here's a nice image of the bag. I'm gonna take a picture. So now, after we had a chance to look at them up close, so let's try to actually use them. Let's connect them to the phone. So I have here Galaxy S8 phone, and the Bluetooth is on, and just a whole bunch of different devices, whatever it is. And you have to put them out of the cases, cradle, in order to actually scan. Oh, whole bunch of different devices. Which one is mine? Soundcore Life P2, here we are. Pairing. Sure thing. 100%. Looks like they paired separately, each individual P2 and Soundcore P2 left. This is interesting. Actually never used those, so it's kind of interesting to see is that they paired in this way. There is a left one and right one separately. Okay, well, I mean, done. Let's play something. I don't know, whatever we can play. Let's go YouTube. So here's one of my videos. There is not much music going on here, but let's wires which gonna be used into screwing terminals. Right, so it's clearly they are working, and apparently I didn't realize those, but those two things, this one and this one, are buttons. So if you click this one, it pauses the video, I think. When you click this one, it resumes it. Here we are. So probably this is to make and stop calls. Amazing. So enough of this. So they are clearly very easy to use and very easy to pair. The only thing, I hope they're gonna stay in my ears properly, because I don't really have much of experience these things actually sitting in the ear very well, and I always have a challenge and a problem of always finding myself fiddling with them to actually stay put in my ear. But I really love the magnetic base, and I really love this case. I think we're gonna wrap up. This is pretty much everything of unboxing and the first use of Soundcore by Anker Life P2 Total, they call, wireless earphones. Let's see how those earphones gonna work for me, because I don't have anything to compare them with, and sound quality is just probably as good as any other Bluetoothy inexpensive wireless headset. I'm pretty sure the sound quality gonna be decent, and obviously to judge sound quality, yeah, well, it's very subjective. I don't want to even go there. Anyways, so for making calls and listening music on the go, I think this is gonna work very, very well. So guys, if you have experience with those guys, please make a comment below. But so far, thank you for watching, and see you next time.